y'all, welcome to Vanity Vibes, episode 2 of me just rambling about nothing or about whatever y'all want me to talk about. And today we just gonna be trying to do some eye makeup, like some really cute eye makeup. I'm doing my makeup. I decided that I'm gonna be doing a different look every time I get on Vanity Vibes, on this series of Vanity Vibes. I'm gonna be doing something different for you guys. So yeah, we're gonna get into this shit. We gotta see what we can come up with, because this is gonna be my first time really actually trying to do some eyeshadow and stuff, because I've never really wore eyeshadow. I'm just a basic little makeup girl. So, but I do want to step into, you know, the other side, step out of my comfort zone and see what I can do. So we're gonna get into that video. I already prepped my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be back to show y'all my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna prep my eyelids, because I had to watch a few videos, and I do got my laptop right here so that I can watch, you know, somebody step by step while I do my eyeshadow. I'm probably just gonna play my music on one and use my iPad for the other. So we're gonna see how this turned out. Are y'all ready for this? Cause girl, and y'all don't be in there them comments laughing at me. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't be trying to do too much. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. I will be right back after I do my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and do my my hair, and I'll be back to show y'all the final look. At this point, I was rushing so I couldn't really get a better clip of how my makeup looked, but it turned out amazing, and I cannot wait to do another one of these eyeshadow looks. Mwah.